Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Narayana online classes. For class 8 students, today's topic is hydrogen bond. Okay. Now here, this hydrogen bond definition, if you observe, the hydrogen bond is a weak electrostatic force present between positively charged hydrogen atom of a polar molecule and a highly electronegative atom carrying a negative charge. And here the highly electronegative atom may be present in the same molecule or in a different molecule. Now for example, if you take a HF molecule, hydrofluoric acid molecule, if you take, now here because of the highly electronegativity of fluorine atom will carry a partial negative charge and automatically the other atom will be carrying a partial positive charge. Means here charge carried by a hydrogen atom, it is positive charge. Charge carried by an electronegative atom, it will be the negative charge. Okay, negative ion here. Now here between the HF molecule and here between the another HF molecule. Now if we compare between hydrogen and fluorine, there is a covalent bond. There is a covalent bond between hydrogen and fluorine atom. Because of the highly electronegativity of fluorine atom will carry a negative charge, and because of this fluorine atom, this hydrogen atom will carry a partial positive charge. Right? Now here, if you compare, if you take another HF molecule, if you take, in this also same theory will be applied. Here hydrogen will carry positive charge, fluorine will carry negative charge. Right? Now here, this hydrogen bond will be between a hydrogen atom which carries a positive charge with a highly electronegative atom present in the same molecule or other molecule. In that other atom I can take. Means between this positive charge and this fluorine atom there is a bond. That bond we are taking as electrostatic force present between the positive charge of hydrogen atom of a polar molecule and highly electronegative atom carried by a negative charge that will be present in the same molecule or different molecule. Means here this is highly electronegative element now. Between this hydrogen atom and this fluorine atom there is some attraction will be there. That electrostatic force of attraction will be there due to the opposite charges. That bond we are taking as hydrogen bond. That hydrogen bond indicated by dotted small lines like this we can take or like this we can indicate. We can indicate. Means here this type of hydrogen bond will be between, here two types of bonds are possible. One is intermolecular hydrogen bonding and another one is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, before going to discuss about this, here especially which elements, which electronegative elements will participate in the hydrogen bond means especially here nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. These elements, these highly electronegative elements, these elements will participate in hydrogen bond. But few times like chlorine atom, sometimes it will exhibit, it will participate in hydrogen bond. It will participate in hydrogen bond. Means must and should for exhibiting hydrogen bond, which element should be there? One is hydrogen atom is must, and along with that highly electropositive element should be there. Especially out of those more electronegative elements also, here nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, these elements will participate in hydrogen bond formation. Okay, here this is a weak electrostatic force of attraction between electropositive ion and electronegative ion. Okay, now here if you come to the examples related to this hydrogen bond, if you take, now the questions are like this related to this one if you take. Now here, for example, which of the following molecule is participating in the hydrogen bond? Suppose. Okay. Now the options are first option H2O, second option HF, third option I am taking as ammonia NH3, fourth option all the above. That is the given question. Okay. Now which of the following molecule will exhibit hydrogen bond? Now here if we come to water molecule, now first option water molecule I am taking. Now here it is a bent shape or V shape I can take. Now oxygen atom is having two lone pair of electrons. Okay. Now here due to the high electronegativity of oxygen atom will carry partial negative charge and the hydrogen atom will carry partial positive charge. Okay. Now here if you see, because of the electronegativity of oxygen atom, now if you take suppose one glass of water molecule, 1 glass of water, 1 liter of water, if you take, in that n number of water molecules will be there. Between water molecule and water molecule, here there is a hydrogen bond. Because of this hydrogen bonding only, here water molecule is having high boiling point, like nearly 100 degrees centigrade will be there. Okay, because of the force of attraction between water molecule and water molecule. Now if you take another water molecule here, like this, now here oxygen atom is having a partial negative charge, hydrogen carries a positive charge, here also positive charge. Now if you take here also another water molecule, if you consider here delta negative, delta positive, delta positive, between hydrogen and oxygen there is a covalent, there is a coordinate covalent bond, sorry, there is a hydrogen bond between oxygen and hydrogen. Then here here hydrogen I am taking, hydrogen, then oxygen and hydrogen, this is delta negative, this is delta positive, this is delta positive. Now here one more water molecule I am taking, this is delta negative, this is delta positive, this is delta positive. Then between hydrogen and oxygen there is a hydrogen bond here. Now if you consider another water molecule, here hydrogen, this is delta positive, this is delta negative, this is delta positive. Between this hydrogen and oxygen there is a hydrogen bond. Means here in water molecules, especially if you take a little amount of water, if you consider, each water molecule will be surrounded by 4 other water molecules through hydrogen bonding. Now here between oxygen and hydrogen there is a hydrogen bond. Between this hydrogen and this oxygen there is a hydrogen bond. Between this hydrogen and this oxygen there is a hydrogen bond. Between this oxygen and this hydrogen there is a hydrogen bond. Means here between different molecules, similar molecule, but here not within the molecule, with 2 molecules or 3 molecules or 4 molecules, if it is participate in the hydrogen bonding, we will take it will as intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Means water molecule is the example for intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Between 2 molecules, here hydrogen bond will be formed here. Now anyway, the question is what, which of the following molecules will exhibit hydrogen bond? This is possible. Water molecule is the example for intermolecular hydrogen bonding I can consider. Okay, within the molecule if it is happened, hydrogen bond, that one we will take as intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, now come to HF molecule. Just now we discussed before this water molecule, HF molecule will exhibit hydrogen bonding between 2 different two molecules. It is possible. Now HF also correct option. Now NH3, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, they will exhibit hydrogen bond. They will participate in hydrogen bond here. Means ammonia also possible. Then the answer I can take as all the above. All the elements, all the molecules will participate in they will participate in hydrogen bond. Okay, like that we can discuss about hydrogen bond in detail in the next class. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding we will discuss. Thank you.